Hey guys, I'm Justin Vandermark, and in this video, I'm going to be going over my two books that I self-published on Amazon. So the first book is called The Crystal of Destiny, and this is about a princess of Mars, and they're trying to find this like legendary, this mythical, they're trying to follow this legend of this crystal of destiny that can tell the future to anybody that holds it, but the power does corrupt. So pretty much that's where their journey is, and while they're on this journey, they are chased by space pirates. And then we get the ending. The ending will lead to the book two, excuse me, and this one's only about Princess Jen and her adventures, the Eye of the Universe, to find this other piece for the crystal. I'm working on getting book three edited right now, and that is all about Prince Boba and the Staff of Eternity. And the last one will be called The Evil Queen. If you guys haven't already, check it out on Amazon. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.